Have you heard the latest? You can now earn over $10,000 or more each weekly as a solar energy panel appointment setter, whether full-time or part-time. We're on the lookout for 40 solar appointment setters to join our team from the comfort of your home. Join the solar and smart home boom. Join us as a commissioned solar energy sales representative and earn an incredible $3,700 for every solar install. That's right, $3,700 for each install. Not just that, you can also earn between $500 and $1,000 for each ADT and Brinks smart home security system you sell. Talk about doubling your opportunities. Immediate openings are available for both full-time and part-time positions. Whether you're looking for a career change or just some extra cash, we've got you covered. And guess what? We provide a free affiliate website with room for promotion. It's never been easier to get started. Apply online now or contact Mr. Ricky at 346-704-1754 for this amazing sales opportunity. Don't wait. Start earning today. Join our team and start earning today. Apply now. Contact Mr. Rick, 346-704-1754. Business is booming, and we need sales professional appointment setters to get started immediately. Call us now, 346-704-1754.